Good morning, all worthy staff members. This is about training, and many platforms are available for us. We are going to discuss, and you can see in the list courses are conducted by CBSE Center of Excellence, which are paid courses, and remaining other platforms they are absolutely free. I can name few here. You can read. Diksha is there, Nishtha training is there, Swayam portal is there, and trainings by SCRT, NIDM, and CIET, SAI, 3030, Eklavya STEM. That for certificate you have to pay something, and nominal charges were there. Otherwise these courses are free. And here comes, here we give you list of training courses still available for you, and you have to complete these till March 15, 2025. Training one is animation as digital resource for teaching and learning. This big number you can see here, you have to copy and paste it on your Chrome. Okay? And if you want to open it on Diksha platform, which is very slow, so if you open it in Google, it will run fast. Training second is its integration of virtual labs in teaching learning, right? It will give you 5 hours of training certificate. Then training third is ICT in teaching and learning of science. This is the big number link. Hey, this is, and 5 hour certificate, training certificate will be given to you. Digital wellness is there, 5 hours. And training 5 is financial safety in cyberspace, 5 hours. Training 6 integration of virtual labs in teaching learning, मैथमेटिक्स एंड लैंग्वेजेस डिफरेंट डिफरेंट है, ये 2 आवर का दे रहा है ये आपको वेटेज, ठीक है. एंड ट्रेनिंग 7 इज सिक्योर प्रैक्टिसेस फॉर डिजिटल गेमिंग, 5 आवर्स का आपका सर्टिफिकेट मिलने वाला है आपको. जस्ट क्लिक करना है इस लिंक को. लिंक्स आर गिवन इन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स ऑफ दिस वीडियो. सोशल मीडिया सेफ्टी एंड वेल बींग, 5 आवर्स. ट्रेनिंग ICT teaching and learning of mathematics, 5 hours. And cyber hygiene 10th training is available. You have to complete these trainings before March 15. For more detail you can go to comment section. We are discussing here Diksha portal. For joining any course, what you have to do is you have to access Diksha portal and install Diksha mobile app in your phone, ठीक है. And if you are using Diksha for the first time, ठीक है, you have to got yourself registered, and you will log in, then your registered ID and mobile number and password. Then update your profile page, as we have already uploaded one video regarding it for the staff members. And click on the link we are giving you here. After doing all these courses, you will watch all the videos on Diksha platform and take up the assignment, and you will score at least 70% marks, and you will get certificate for the same. You will download it and submit that certificate in this Sarthak celebration group. And these trainings are very much there available still, which are to be completed by March 15. Still we have 20 days with us. For this, what you have to do is you select this big number is there, so you will copy it and open it in your Google Chrome. Here it is Chrome. So you will paste it here, paste it. सिलेक्ट किया था आपने, पेस्ट करेंगे, एंटर कर देंगे यहाँ पर, तो ये आपको जाएगा. यहाँ पर देखिए सेंट्रल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी पर यहाँ पर आ गया है. तो यहाँ पर क्लिक करेंगे आप, यहाँ पर क्लिक करेंगे तो ये पर आएगा. अब आपको क्या करना है कि यहाँ से जाएंगे आप, और यहाँ से सबसे पहले यू हैव टू रजिस्टर योर सेल्फ फॉर द सेम. तो गूगल फॉर्म इज़ देयर, क्लिकिंग हेयर. So as I have already responded to them, I will take another link. Let me take it from there. Suppose we want to go for digital wellness, ठीक है. Let's go for digital wellness. Copy and open it in your on the Chrome है. We will click Chrome and it will open, and we will paste here, click and paste. You will enter now, and there we are going for digital wellness training. And we will go to registration first of all by clicking this Google form. Yeah, देखो registration is there. Yeah, this is how to participate. First of all, so I haven't registered for it, and it will okay send me a copy. Your mail is VJ, जो भी है आपका आप लिखेंगे यहाँ पर. Okay, it will take itself. Or I'm from Haryana, you will fill this form. You are going to register yourself first of all, and then no other Mr. It is, then it is participant in block letter, so VIJAY Kumar, and mobile number 9466707359. And I'm school teacher, yes. In which capacity? You can see here, anyone can do these courses. If you are a teacher, I'm teaching upper primary, secondary, senior secondary. And then have you attended the theme? No training on this. If yes, no, not applicable will be here, क्योंकि मैंने किया नहीं है. And what are your expectation from the online training that is to be conducted on digital web? Also share it with my staff students. Okay, any input feedback can be stated here in okay, अभी मैं नो करता हूँ. And okay, and how did you come to know? NCERT से मुझे मिला है, या अदर हैं तो अदर लिख दो कि हमें बताया है हमारे STNC ने. हमारे स्कूल ट्रेनिंग नोडल कोऑर्डिनेटर से हमें पता लगा है, तो आप ये भी लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो आई एम रजिस्टर्ड. थैंक्स फॉर रजिस्टरिंग अ मैसेज यू विल गेट, राइट. So we will go back there, and you will see here join the online course that will be on the Diksha Portal course link. You will click this and your course will start here. देखो, yeah, join course आ गया. Join course, you will click join course, or you will get all the details about the course. This is digital wellness concept and significance. Modules are given there, है ना. You have to go through all these 5 videos one by one. Join course करेंगे. We will join the course here. Here starts our course. विजय कुमार यहाँ पर जा रहा है ऐसे करके, ठीक है. ओके जी, ओके. फाइल शेयर सेटिंग सबमिटेड सक्सेसफुली, यहाँ भी आप सेंड कर देंगे. और देन यू विल क्लिक हियर स्टार्ट लर्निंग, एंड नेम विजय कुमार, या दिस नेम विल बी प्रिंटेड ऑन योर सर्टिफिकेट. पर क्या नाम आए उसको पहले ही आपने ठीक कर लेना है. विजय कुमार आएगा ऐसे, ठीक है. कंटिन्यू करें आप, अगर कोई एरर है तो देख लें, नहीं तो कंटिन्यू करें. और इस तरह से यहाँ पर अभी जो दिखा रहा है, अभी हमने स्टार्ट ही नहीं किया है तो 0% ही दिखाएगा. तो जब भी आपको समय लगे, यू कैन एन्जॉय दीज वीडियोज़, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, एंड स्टार्ट लर्निंग. हेयर फर्स्ट वीडियो we are going to enjoy. This is very much that we have already done in 2022, 3 and 21 COVID era में, you know. So you will go through it, you will read it, it will note the time also you are devoting. Clicking here, just completed, है ना. You read it, you can give your feedback as well. Okay, submit करेंगे हम. Then thank you, rating भी हो गया हमारा, ठीक है. You have completed this module. Okay, so now we will go to read this module. Here is the button next module. It will take us to next module, and we will click this video, and it will start loading your content. You must be aware of this screen. We have already enjoyed digital wellness. Here starts, so you will click this button. After watching all these 5 modules, you have to attempt for your certificate. Google form will be there, question answers will be there. Your answer must be accuracy 70% or more, then it will generate a certificate for you.
Hello, Namaskar, and a very good evening of July till 5th of July. Let us have a closer look at our screens in order to understand more about the 5 days online training program on digital wellness.
So one by one you have to watch all these modules, and then it will be a quiz or test where it's mandatory for you to get more than 70% marks. Only then your certificate will be generated, and it will give you weightage of 5 hours. Like I can show you certificates. Here it is. Once you are done with, you can generate this certificate will be given to you on the completion of your course, and 70% marks you get in the test, right? So all the best. If still any query, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.